Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll be taking a look at the official Huawei snorkeling case for the P30 Pro. If you lead an active lifestyle and want to take your phone on underwater adventures, this is now possible thanks to this waterproof case. Certainly an interesting find, this can support depths of 5 meters for up to an hour, which gives you plenty of time to capture those incredible underwater shots. Putting the P30 Pro inside is easy. By pushing down the button and turning the handle to the right, you can open the door and place your phone inside. To get a tight seal, you have to twist the handle to the left until you hear the button click. Huawei do recommend enabling gloves mode so that you can use the touchscreen properly when it's in the case. I was surprised to find the P30 Pro to be fully functional when inside the snorkeling case. You have access to the buttons at the side and can use the touchscreen through the window. There's even a little window here at the back for the camera, allowing you to get those amazing underwater shots. Huawei also included this handy adjustable strap, allowing you to keep your P30 Pro close at all times. I really like the overall design of this case. The thicker bottom gives a secure and comfortable grip when you're taking photos and videos underwater. To use your camera underwater, you just have to open the camera and choose underwater mode before you get in the water. Unfortunately, we weren't able to go on a snorkeling trip, but we did give it a test in some water to see how well it holds up. The P30 Pro was underwater for around 20 minutes and came out of the case as dry as it went in. While this may seem a little over the top in comparison to other phone cases, the design is perfect for any water activities, letting you take your phone with you wherever you go. I found it to be incredibly durable, so if you happen to drop or knock your phone when you're out on your adventures, your P30 Pro will be safe and secure inside the snorkeling case. Overall, this is a great option for those who want to take their P30 Pro underwater with them while keeping it safe from water damage. The tough design maintains the sleek and pristine condition of your phone, letting you explore with peace of mind that it's always safe. I like the thick side here at the bottom, as it really makes a difference when you need the perfect grip for capturing moments underwater. That's all we have for our look into the official Huawei snorkeling case for the P30 Pro. Let us know what you think in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase this case for your phone, I'll be leaving links in the description and comments of this video.